I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna.
Pangilan mo na sa Baguio? Pang 5 mo na, pang 4. Pang 5 mo na, Prada. Pang 5 na ni Prada. Punta kami ng Baguio. Alis ka na? Ay, nagyayaya na. Kiwi, brum-brum na ikaw. Tara, alis ha? Saan si Yobo? O, baba na. Tawag kami si Yobo. Punta na kay Yobo. Dali. Baba. Baba. Baba dun. Baba. Baba. Kung tawagan mo ha. Baita. Hi, little girl. Nakakatawa ka.
Can you tell me why I'm down? Inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the.
Gabi. Tito of Manila. Tito of Manila. Ganda na hair ko. Si Prada. What?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.
Wow, first time namin dito ni Tito. Yung pumunta tayo dito nung dati pa. Wala pang kahit ano. Hagdan-hagdan lang. Siguro ka ba dito sa gabi? Nakaya ba? Kasi naman may mga ano.
May meron pala ditong pot.
Look, ang dami oh.
Ka. Happy?
Happy. Ang dami flowers. Mahilig ako sa flowers. Pero hindi dapat nakapitas.
Inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Is that not? I'm just alone.
Ano masasabi mo sa Botanical Garden?
Ganda. Daming flowers dito. Siguro mas maganda dito pag gabi. Kasi ang dami nilang mga lights. Ayan, punta kayo dito. First time namin dito.
Kaming cactus. Cacti. Cax.
Pagka-alaming cactus na.
Ah.
Yan na po ang taga. This is the bathroom. Yan, may hot and cold. May lavatory. May toilet. Yan. And then, there's the bed. And the small TV. Mirror. Nagsiyabon. Dami namin dala. And, ayan, may cabinet. Double bedroom. Kasi wala na yung iba. Oh, wala kami. Wala kami view. Ayun. May fan. Wala tayong view. Yan. Ito yung towels na provided. Okay naman. Maayos naman siya. Actually, yung mga review, old na daw yung mga towel.
Wala tayo sa dulo, kwarto.
And then, tapos ito, may tissue. So, and then, one lang. So, dapat magdala kayo. Hi guys! It's 10 PM. Lalabas kami. Punta kami ng Burnham Park. Magtitipid mo kang mushroom.
Nempo for dinner.
Nempo yung kay DJ. Sa akin, half chicken and kare-kare. Ito daw kumos. Si QB wala. Kumain na yan. Wala na. Kasi yun na yung hotel na.
Hindi na natin ang shawarma.
Bag na Kakain ulit kami. Dalawa pa din. Liit lang siya.
Sa ba? Patingin niya?
Sa taas siya. Sarap. Sarap. Okay. Hey guys! Date na namin. Actually, 2:20 na. Pero ngayon pa lang kami lalabas. Kakain muna kami sa Cafe by the Ruins, tapos Burnham and SM Baguio today. See you!
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking of light a cottage blue, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the blues, yeah. You know
Itadakma.
Pero medyo matamis na nilagyan mo.
Si QB artista. Nakabukas na ngayon. QB, tara! Si Prada may sariling mundo dito. Burnham! Prada! Bababa ka mamaya, ha? QB! Hindi na ako pinansin. Emotional damage. Si Badyang gusto nga din eh.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah.
Bye-bye!
Light a cottage blues, yeah. I want
Pagod.
Hello, you're back. Si QB yan, Prada. Ginaw na. Penguin.
Blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you
Prada.
was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
Sit. Sit.
Ang hirap nung ginagawa mo.
Sit lang dyan, QB. Sige na, sit.
Gusto magpabuhat. Arte lang yan. Gusto niya sa likodan ni TJ pumwesto. Bait ah. Isa lang mga mabait yung aso namin, hayaan. Ano yan? Ba't mo dinadala? Hindi kinaya.
Hindi mo naintindihan.
Dito, dahil ayaw na kiwi sa loob, may prinsesa. Prada. Mataktan lang namin. Baka makatulog si Lola Prada.
Pork katsu with a little bit of salad. Mixing na po.
Thank you. Yay!
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Muli-muli na siya. Sukiyaki. Favorite ko pa.
Sarap.
Sok. Japan. Alam mo sasabi mo?
Sarap.
Prada. Mabilis lang. Kukunin din si QB. Malaki na. Sa pet shop. And then, yan. Bumili na kami ng diaper ng aso. And nag-shopping siya. Happy! Yan lang. Pabalik na kami sa hotel.
Strawberry ube ito.
tinawag.
Wala pa.
Nakapaya naman si Kim.
Sit down na.
Hey guys, day 3 na namin. Pupunta kami ng Camp Chanihei. Tapos kakain na rin kami dun sa Cafe de Bateron. Yun lang. Iyak na lang ako. Lunch. Station bistro na lang kami sa Cafe de Bateron. Chocolate de Bateron.
Prada.
Sabi ko sa iyo, Prada! The very good girl.
At ang super pasaway.
And sisi. And brown rice. Kakain ako. Tadakamas. Roast beef. Mashed potato and vegetable.
Ano sa masarap? Sarap din na roast beef.
We're walking. Nakakatawa si TJ. Happy girly, look at that tail. Nasaan ang tubig mo? Happy girl. Look, dami flowers. Amazing. Hello, cow. I don't know that. Good, lamig. Sarap. We're walking, enjoying. We're here. Hanap si TJ ng pusto. Siyempre, hanap ka. Tadang! We have our picnic mat. Diyan! Mayroon pasto ko dyan sa likod ako. Yung isa di mapakali. Yung isa naman, sobrang good girl lang. Dito kami sa may, andun yung lemonade. Tapos doon banda, yung Techno Hub. Bago Techno Hub. Ito may harang lang. Pero pwede naman dito umupo. Ayan, ang dami nagpipiknik. Tapos doon din sa kabila. Dito na lang kami kasi wala pang tao sa paligid dito. Ayan. Dala kayo ng picnic mat. Si Prada, sobrang bait. Si QB, hindi ko alam kung anong masasabi ko. Yaba!
Sarap, chill lang.
Sarap chill. Yan, Baguio.
I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Nakahiga na po dito. Enjoy na enjoy. Nakatali sa pa. Walang tiwala kay Kiwi. Si Prada. Kapag kakatiwalaan. Prada! Prada.
Drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know
Malamig na yan.
keep on running.
Pupunta mga isa sa mate. Hoy, teacher ka matutulog. Pag ikaw inantok na ko.
Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out?
Jesus! Jesus! Oh my God!
Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Go, Prada. 1.
Yeah, I got the June blues.
Go!
Walk around like who you? Yeah, it's something you get used to. Yeah, go back to June blues. Yeah, it's just the June blues. Yeah, walk around like who you? Yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to go behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten.
Down. Kakain kami. It's 11:05. Yan, magdadala na si TJ sa car. Nang ilang... No. Hello, Yaba. Kaya kung kausapin na, natutupak yan. Change outfit kami ni Prada. Bababa kami, kakain kami sa night market. Parking sa gabi. So, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yun yung kotse namin sa lake dulo. Then, lilipat namin dito. 3 pa ulit. Yan, yun yung parking. Tapos, ayan yung Metro Panskin. Yun. So, pag wala dito yung elevator, pag akyat pa, doon yung elevator. Lilipat lang namin yung car dito sa harapan. Para hindi kami matakpan bukas. Yun na kami. Tomorrow. Para tomorrow, ready to go na kami. Dahil ang haharap sa amin.
Daming tao. Malayo kapon.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Malayo yung Thursday. Kaya na-rice kami. Ang haba ng pila. Ito rin tayo last time.
Masarap.
Sarap.
Sunflower girl.
Next year na wala bagyo. Bye-bye. Bukas uwi na kami. May nanginginig kami dito. Nanginginig si Prada. Kanggal ko.
Damig.
Susilipin pa ako. Go, 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 go! Hey guys, pauwi na kami. Punta muna kami ng La Trinidad para bumili ng mga gulay. Yan na. Tatagal nyo.
Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to.
QB!
Breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to go behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about
yan.
Grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a window so honest you dependent. Pick it up like Chevy, new age Machiavelli. Disagree with me. Now you in Infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna play down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know. I just wanna know now. Too long. Try and get known. Try and get known. Hope you free your soul. Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the true blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running for the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste a
Ito na kami sa strawberry farm. Pasok lang kami sa parking. Meron dun. Isa lang.
For 500. Wala ka mang pretty?
Yung blueberry, 100. Then yung strawberry, 200 each.
Freshly picked.
Freshly picked daw dyan. Napakaswerte. Nakakain ng strawberry ice cream. Buti hindi avocado. Sarap ah.
Binigay ko kay Prada yun.
Napakaswerte naman. Talaga.
Prada
Kasi
naman.
ba dyan eh?
Kumain ka?
Napakain na.
Kakain sa to si Julie.
Sarap naman siya. Tignan mo naman ang itsura. Oh, hala. Sige.
Sige. Oh.
just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just
We're going home. Bye-bye, Lion.
Even when we're old, remember that I told you I'll find my way back home.